Welcome to the 2025 Hess truck review. This year we have a car and another car, which is usually pretty different from what they usually do. They usually give you a truck or a plane of some sort with a mini car in there, but they chose to give you two of the same thing. So anyways, we open this up. We got this guy. Hood pops up and you push down on it, which I didn't mean to, but that is shows how the mechanism works. Just to demonstrate that again, that's how it goes. But once you do that, it gives you this little car. You know, per usual, we have our little switch on the bottom, which shows us the lights. It's a pretty cool looking one. I'm a fan of this compared to prior years. But this is our big guy right here. This is our main one. You can tell it's already making noises all over the place. It's usually these buttons back here that do it. This one gives us an engine noise. I like that one. I like that one. This one's a horn. You know, standard car noises. You really know that this thing is a hell of a car. Right now I have the lights on it, but if I flip this, it turns the lights on. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Now that's the car, but let's talk about what I think of it. I think they got lazy this year. I mean, we've come to expect more from this company, and they're giving us a car and another car. We're not even getting two different vehicles. So it is cool, and it looks cool, and it would be a nice addition to the shelf where it's probably going to sit for the next 20 years because there really is nothing special about it. You know, the resale value is probably going to be pretty crap, but they're trying, and we respect that. But yeah, that's the 2025 Hess truck review.